Virendra Sehwag, extremely pained to hear about the passing away of Sri Bipin Rawat, his wife Madhulika Rawat, and 11 army personnel in the tragic helicopter crash. Gratitude for his wonderful service to the nation. ओम शांति। ईश्वर उनकी आत्मा को शांति प्रदान करे, यही प्रभु से प्रार्थना है। We are deeply saddened by the loss of CDS General Bipin Rawat and others who died in the crash. He made a lasting impact on the Indian military and reinforced strong military-to-military relationship between US and India. US Chairman of Joint Chiefs of Staff General Mark Milley Youth moves media. Shame on all these people celebrating the death of CDS of India Bipin Rawatji. Shame on all these talking about karma and divine intervention in these times. Our heartfelt condolences to CDS Bipin Rawat. Om Shanti. Bipin Rawatji. The untimely death of the India's first CDS General Bipin Rawat has created a vacuum and left major military reforms unfinished. The Hindu. Arnab Goswami, saddened on hearing the news of the unfortunate demise of CDS General Bipin Rawat, his wife and 11 other armed forces. Om Vice President of India, deeply shocked by the tragic death of Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat, his spouse Srimati Madhulika Rawat, senior officials of the armed forces and others in a helicopter crash in Kundur, Tamil Nadu. Forensic team arrives at IAF helicopter crash site in Upper Kunur in Tamil Nadu. IAF chief present. CDS General Bipin Rawat chopper crash. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh on Thursday will brief Parliament on the tragic IAF chopper crash near Kunur in Tamil Nadu. Heartfelt condolences. The following Indian Army personnel have been lost in the chopper crash: Brigadier Leader Lieutenant H. Singh, S. Chauhan, K. Singh, J.W.O. Das, J.W.A. Pradeep A. Satpal, Gursevak Singh, Jitendra, Vivek, S. Teja. India stands firm in support of the bereaved families. Bipin Rawat. Ministry of Foreign Affairs, ROC, Taiwan. Our heartfelt condolences to the family, friends and loved ones of General Bipin Rawat, Chief of Defence Staff, his wife, and 11 others who lost their lives in the tragic helicopter crash. Taiwan grieves with India at this difficult time. मोदी पर हंसते हैं तो ठीक है, भाजपा पर हंसते हो तो ठीक है, परंतु एक सैनिक के बलिदान पर हंसते हैं तो तुम्हारा इलाज सिर्फ पीतल है। योगी देवनाथ जी। राजस्थान में भी लड़कियां हैं लेकिन लड़ नहीं पा रही। राजस्थान आकर यहाँ की दुर्गति तो देख लीजिए। प्रियंका गांधी। एक साल में सरकारी स्कूलों में दुष्कर्म के 13 केस, 6 मामले पिछले 2 महीनों में, सजा एक में भी नहीं। Mustafa Riaz from Hyderabad is celebrating demise of CDS General Bipin Rawat by abusing him and also wishing same for Prime Minister. Later he changed bio of his profile and also changed his name to Anshul Saxena. H.S. Panag venges out his distasteful tweet on General Rawat's death. Liberals rush to defend him. Karma has its own way of dealing with people. Very sad and unfortunate to see that ex-military, ex-army person has such niggling mindset. Bipin Rawat, rest in peace, sir. You were the guardian of this country. Parliament winter session. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh informs the Lok Sabha that General Bipin Rawat was on a scheduled visit to Defence Staff College in Wellington. At 12:18 Sulur helipad lost contact with helicopter he was on. बीजेपी की योगी सरकार ने उत्तर प्रदेश में 5 साल से भी कम समय में जितने सारे विकास कार्य पूर्ण किए हैं, इतने ही कार्यों को करने में समाजवादी सरकार को कितने वर्ष लगते हैं? 25 साल, 50 साल, 50 साल से भी ज़्यादा, 50 साल से भी ज़्यादा, 60% वोट। कांग्रेस को उत्तर प्रदेश में 2012 में 28 सीटें मिली थी 403 में से। 2017 में कांग्रेस को सिर्फ 7 सीटें मिली थी। अब अगले वर्ष सन 2022 में उत्तर प्रदेश के चुनाव में कांग्रेस को कितनी सीटें मिलेंगी? 72% वोट। Subscribe this channel.